Hi and welcome to For Bike's Sake. Today I am showing a video of myself riding through the Atlantic Ocean Road in Norway. I've sped up video. It's quite a lot of going through the tunnels. It's one of the longest tunnels we did while we were away. And hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you want to leave a like, subscribe and make a comment, that'd be great. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching For Bike's Sake. I'm Al. If you want to see any other videos, I have got a few more similar ones on my channel. Thank you very much.